welcome to Dharma Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our fifth question. What is that? A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was 90 rupees, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So first one, a cottage industry produces certain number of pottery articles in a day. So let's going to take what you can say number of pottery articles in a day. Per day will be equal to what is that? Let's going to take some x number of articles. It was observed on particular day the cost of production each article. So each article cost of each article. What you can take it here is that is there in the rupees 3 more than twice of, you have to observe this, twice of the number of articles, 3 more. So we have to observe that 3 more means plus 3, twice the number of articles produced on that day. Number of articles is x, twice means 2 into x. So 2x plus 3 is the cost for that day. So the total cost of the production, what you can say, total cost of the production on that day was 90 rupees. So total cost, what you have to take, total cost will be equal to number of articles per day into cost of each article. So cost of each article, that is the total cost. So number of articles is x, cost of each article is 2x plus 3, that will be equal to 2x square plus 3x. So total cost they are given that 90 rupees. So total cost is 90 rupees, that is 2x square plus 3x. So we have to make this as what you can say, this one we are made it into quadratic equation. So 2x square plus 3x. So this 90 if you shift, then minus 90 will be equal to 0. So here what we have to do here is, so 2x square let's going to write. So 3x is there and 90 is there. Is there any common multiples with the both 6, 15, 12 like that? Yes, it's there. So let's going to take, if it is there, 15x minus 12x minus. So what you can take it here is, we can write 15 into 6. Can you write like this or not? Yes, 15 into 6, that will be equal to 0. So make it these two as two groups. So let's going to take, we can take it here. So let's going to take x as a common, then 2x plus 15. Then here also minus 6 as common. So we can write 12x minus 15 into 6 will be equal to 0. That will be equal to, so 12x you can write it in the format of, so x into 2x plus 15. So 12x is 6x into 2, that is 12x minus 15 into 6 will be equal to 0. So x into 2x plus 15 minus, you can take common 6, then 2x plus 15 will be equal to 0. So 2x plus 15 into x minus 6 will be equal to 0. So 2x plus 15, then what is that? 2x plus 15 will be equal to 0, and another one we can take it, x minus 6 will be equal to 0. So 2x will be equal to minus 15, then x will be equal to minus 15 by 2. So x is what, a number of articles cannot be negative. So we should not take minus 15 by 2. Then x is equals to 6. Let's going to take x is equals to 6. Therefore, what you can say, number of articles, number of pottery articles per day, that will be equal to, x will be equal to 6. Then cost of each article, So cost of each article, that will be equal to each article, that is 2x plus 3. So 3 times 3 more than twice the number of articles. 2 into 6 plus 3, that is the cost rupees. So 2 6 are 12 plus 3. Then what is that? 15 rupees. So this is the cost and this is the number of articles per day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.